Hey guys, Joanne here with Newegg TV. I'm here to do an overview on this AeroCool Strike X fan controller with LCD touchscreen, and I got a chance to test it out and it's very user-friendly. Here's everything that's included in the box, the fan controller itself, but first a look at the other accessories. So we have here a user guide, and kind of looks like Lara Croft on there. Awesome. Inside, you actually get some very useful how-tos. How to install, where you should place the fan thermal sensors, and how to use the LCD screen. But I will go over that after I plug this device in. Next up, what do you get? Let's see, you get 2 extra, or just spare, fan cables, 3-pin for 3-pin fan connectors. You also get 2 spare thermal sensors, as well as 9 pieces of this orange tape for taping down these little sensors onto the surface of your choice in your system, as well as 8 installation screws. In this little bag, you get an extra faceplate for this fan controller. Right now it has a red faceplate, so to remove it, push up these 2 corners. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that. Okay, and then what you do is you push forward or outward, and then it is removed. Then just clip it on, oops, not this way, from the top like so. And then once that's on, snap it into place, just like this, and voila, you've got a second faceplate. I think the black looks better personally, but if you have like a black and red rig, then maybe that color scheme would work better, but this does look pretty sleek. And moving on to other cables, this is your USB 2.0 cable. So what you do, turn this around to the back here. These are all labeled, so it's easy to see. This one is for audio, this one is for the USB. And here's the audio cable. You plug the side with the up into the fan speed controller, like so, and plug the other end into your motherboard. Very simple. And finally, a look at the cables on the speed controller. So this is the Molex with pass-through. You plug this end into your power supply. And here are a look at the female and male connectors for all your fans. It's labeled here. This is fan 1, fan 5, fan 3, fan 2, and fan 4. So you know exactly what plugs into what. And here are the 5 thermal sensors that you place on the case. The guide tells you exactly where to place it, but they said that for temp 1, it is recommended that you place this particular probe onto your CPU cooler. I believe the temp 2 recommendation is onto your VGA cooler, so the first one, CPU cooler. Temp 3 is for your hard drive, just place it right onto the drive. And temp 4 and 5 is for your choosing. So wherever you would like to place it. Oh, and one thing is that fan 1 is the only one with 4-pin female and male connectors. I do have a sample fan here with me that I will go ahead and plug into the female connector. Obviously, we're not going to plug this end into a motherboard, but I will plug a power supply into the Molex plug. And one more look at the fan speed controller is that it's got a blue PCB. Let's see, and I'm going to go ahead and plug this in. There are a couple more things I wish to mention before plugging it in. One is that it takes up 2 slots in your 5¼ drive bays, so bear that in mind when purchasing this product. And up at the front, this is the LCD screen, along with 2 USB 2.0 ports and your headphone and microphone jacks. Here's a look with the panel all plugged in via Molex. And of course, the sample, the demo fan, you're going to hear a difference in the speed, therefore the sound that it makes once I make some changes on the panel. So right now it is connected, the fan is connected to the temp 1 channel. So this is temp 1 right here, and when you touch the temperature, it'll tell you the temperature that it is right now and the alarm temp, which is pretty cool. So you know if it overheats, you're like, oh my gosh, I need to do something differently. And up here at the top left is the button for changing from Celsius to Fahrenheit, you'll notice, back to Celsius. And to the right is also very important. This is the lock unlock key. So right now it's currently locked, so when I press the RPM, I can't, nothing happens. It's just to prevent mistouch. So, and the screen will also auto lock in 30 seconds if there's nothing going on, like you're not touching it, nothing. And so let's unlock it first. I'm going to show you how to change the RPM. Simply click the RPM and it should start blinking. You see that? Then let's increase it to 2000 for this fan. That's what it's capable of. And you should hear the speed increase as well. Very cool, right? But let's make it go down. You can either press the RPM digits again to save, or wait for it for 30 seconds and it should save automatically. So right now we are, let's see, it slowly goes up and goes down in speed. And then next up, I'm going to show you how to change the temperature, the alarm temperature. So hold on to this temperature until it starts blinking. That should be about 2 to 3 seconds, I think. There we go. You'll also hear a beep. And let's say you want it to be 50. Or is that 60? Okay, I can't see the screen from this angle very well. And then you just press it again, and it's set. Very simple, very straightforward. Right now it's on unlock, but like I said, you can wait for it to lock itself or press it to lock. And also, if you want to turn off the display, let's say you're in a dark room, gaming, whatnot, and you don't want the screen to be on, and you already have everything set. Press the AeroCool icon until it shuts off. Press it again to turn it right back on. One more thing, also if you wish to reset to factory setting, press the minus and the plus symbols at the same time for 5 seconds. And the max power per fan channel is 8 watts. Once again, you get 5, so temp 1 is here, 2, you get 3, 4, and 5. That wraps up our overview on this AeroCool Strike X fan controller with LCD touchscreen. I'm Joanne, and if you enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe to our Newegg YouTube channel. Thanks for watching Newegg TV, and we'll see you next time.